Hello friends, whole of the world is fighting against the pandemic caused by coronavirus. Although it is highly contagious, but we can save ourselves by taking some preventive measures such as social distancing, some distance from others. Don't go into the crowd whenever you are going to bank or somewhere office. Don't go into the crowd, maintain some distance and use mask on your face. Third, wash hand with soap and water frequently, and whenever you are in market or somewhere, use hand sanitizer to kill virus, germs, bacteria. Without using water, hand sanitizer can kill it. I am going to tell you in this video formulation how you will make and what is and WHO based. I am not going to use our own brain, our own any trick or method as given by WHO. World Health Organization, very important. It is only taking care of our health, and according to that I am going to tell how you will make formulation. For this, first stage I am telling there are two types. First, ethyl alcohol. Its name is ethanol. Its chemical name is ethanol. This is trivial name, and formula is C2H5OH. And second component is glycerol. It is commonly known as glycerine. Its chemical name is propane 1,2,3-triol. And its chemical formula is C3H8O3. Third component is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, its formula is H2O2. And fourth component distilled water or boiled cold water. Distilled water or boiled cold water. According to WHO, this is ethyl alcohol based. According to WHO, the concentration, I am taking percentage concentration C2 in percentage, 80% ethyl alcohol should be there, and 1.45% glycerol should be there. Hydrogen peroxide should be there, 0.125%. Remaining water, you sum up this, 100 minus this will be distilled water. Now C1 percentage means that is when you are purchasing it from market, ethyl alcohol, then you will check the bottle, what is its percentage given there. On the bottle written 96%, suppose that I am telling, 98 written for that also. And here this one is in the market we are getting 98%, and this one in the market we are getting 3%. From market supply, this is the concentration C1. Suppose you want to prepare 500 milliliter, then use the formula here, C1V1 equal to C2V2. Now C1 is 96. Suppose you have got in the market, brought from the market 96%, 96. If 98, then write 98 C1. 100%, then write here 100%. V1 we have to calculate what amount you have to take for making this volume of sanitizer, and this one according to WHO 80 into 500 milliliter you have to prepare. Then V1 calculate, V1 equal to 80 into 500 divided by 96, then you will get 416.16 milliliter ethyl alcohol. Now, after that, calculate this one. C1V1 equal to C2V2. Same formula. C1, it is here from market you brought. From market when you brought, then here it is given 98%. Then 98% I am writing here, 98. V1 I have to calculate what amount you have to take, and C2 add by WHO 1.45% you have to prepare, half liter. Then V1 calculate, V1 equal to 1.45 into 500 divided by here 98. Then you will get this value about glycerol 7.39 milliliter, that value 7.39. Now hydrogen peroxide 3%, with the help of same that formula C1V1 equal to C2V2, calculate V1, V1 equal to here 0.125 into 500 milliliter you have to make, divided by 3, there is 20.83 milliliter. 20.83 milliliter. 83 milliliter. That way you can calculate. Now you add this amount, total amount is coming here. This plus this amount first, plus this amount 1, 2, 3, this amount, sum up. Then it is coming 444.88 milliliter. Now calculate water. Then what is coming? Water in this case, that also you can calculate. Here water. Now water equal to remaining amount. Distilled water 500 minus 444.8. This is coming 55.12 milliliter, or 56 milliliter or 55.12 milliliter. That water we can use 55.12 or 56 milliliter water we should use there. Next point is there another thing. Now 55.12 milliliter distilled water. You can add 56. A small amount increased or decreased will not affect much. Now suppose ethyl alcohol is not available, then we are going to prepare isopropyl alcohol based. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol based. Formula is propan to all. Propan to all. Its formula is C3H7OH. Now another is same, glycerol. And next is their hydrogen peroxide. H2O2, and this is C3H8O3, propane 1,2,3 triol, propane 1,2,3 triol. Chemical name, but its name is glycerine or glycerol. Remember that. Glycerol, hydrogen peroxide, distilled water. This is also rubbing alcohol, surgical spirit. Surgical spirit is the what? That is isopropyl alcohol. According to WHO, from market we are getting there from first according to WHO, you see C1 in percentage volume by volume. Then it is here same as I told you there, but 75%. And glycerol same 1.45%. Hydrogen peroxide we are using 0.125%. Remaining distilled water. See, method will remain same, but percentage you see they are 80, they are 75. Now from market we are getting C2 in percentage volume by volume. Then it is coming here 99.8%, and this is 98%. This is 3%. Now suppose you want to prepare 500 milliliter, then use the formula C1V1 equal to C2V2. Now V1 calculate as I told you there before, that way calculate 75 C2 75, V2 you have to prepare 500 milliliter divided by here this one C1 if you are taking this one, then this is C1, like that I am telling you, and C2 there I have taken that one C2, then C1V1 equal to C2V2, 75 into 500 divided by 99.8, then it will come 375.75 milliliter. And here same method use, C1V1 equal to C2V2, C2 1.45, V1 now calculate 1.45 into 500 milliliter you have to make, divided by 98, it is coming 7.39 milliliter glycerol. And hydrogen peroxide also by the same formula calculate, then it is coming V1 equal to C2. C2 means this percentage 0.125 into 500 divided by 3. It is coming 20.83 milliliter. Now you sum up that. Then after addition coming 400, 3.97 milliliter. Now we can calculate distilled water or boiled cold water. Total amount you have to prepare 500. This much you have to add these things, minus 400, 3.97 equal to 96.03 milliliter. It means you can add 100 milliliter water or 95 milliliter or 96 milliliter. There is no difference. This is the formula how you can calculate that you are bringing from market, and you see the strength what is written there. According to that one we can calculate what amount exactly we have to use for preparing, give a certain amount, a particular volume of hand sanitizer, ethyl alcohol based, ethyl alcohol organic solvent, kill the virus, main component. This is also antiseptic and germicide, disinfectant, and this is also kills the germs, virus. Hydrogen peroxide, glycerol. Glycerol prevent our skin from drying, and distilled water just dilute the, for dilution it is used there. There also isopropyl alcohol, that also kills the virus and bacteria, and rest that their work is same. That way you can prepare. That's all for the formulation of preparing hand sanitizer by WHO method. Thank you.